Good morning, students. Today we start next group number second elements of B block. So there are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are the members of this group 17. These elements are collectively known as halogens. Why they are called halogens? Because they are salt producer elements. So in the Greek, halo means salt, gene means born. So it means combine. When we combine these two words, it form a halogens, means salt producer elements, because mostly sea salts are made up of halides like a fluoride, chloride, bromide or a iodide. That's why they are called halogens. The halogens are highly reactive non-metal elements because all elements present in this group are non-metals. So all elements present in this group are non-metal in nature. So like group 1 and 2, these elements of group 17 show great similarity amongst themselves. क्योंकि वो electron lose कर दिए ने, they have tendency to gain electron. So fluorine is the most electronegative element or most reactive element out of these halogens. That's why they are called superhalogen. And the last element, that is astatine, it is radioactive in nature and very short life period because it is present only in traces in the nature. So the much similarity is not found in the elements of other groups of the periodic table. Also there is a regular gradation in their physical and chemical properties, and astatine is a radioactive element. Next we start occurrence or abundance. Fluorine and chlorine are fairly abundant while bromine and iodine less so. So fluorine present mainly insoluble fluoride, fluorospar, carolite, sodium ਤੇ aluminium ਦੀ ore ਹੈ, fluoroapatite. So these are the ores of calcium, sodium, aluminium metals are जिन्हां दे विच नाल साडे को fluoride present ਹੁੰਦਾ, insoluble fluorides ने, and small quantity of fluorine present in soil, river, plants as well as bones and teeth of animals. So sea water mainly contain chlorides, bromides and iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium, but as a mainly sodium chloride solution, that is 2.5% by mass, the deposit of dried up in the sea and contain these compounds sodium chloride and carnallite ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ potassium ਤੇ magnesium ਦਾ salt ਹੈ. Certain forms of marine life contain iodine in their system. Various seaweeds for example contain up to a 0.5% of iodine, and chill saltpeter contains up to 0.2% of sodium iodide. सो ये साढ़े को अकरेंस है जिन्हों की एलीमेंट्स की साढ़े को जी ब्रोमाइन है वो एक्सटेंट 2.5 इंटू 10⁻⁴ है अर्थ क्रस्ट के मेनली सोडियम ब्रोमाइड, पोटाशियम ब्रोमाइड, मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड, आयोडीन की अबंडेंस उदों भी घट है जिमें कैल्ची हो गया साढ़े को क्रूड चिली सॉल्ट पेटर में कह देंगे ने, सोडियम नाइट्रेट के सोडियम आयोडेट NaIO3 साढ़े को फार्मूला इस कंपाउंड का. सो ये सी साढ़े को अकरेंस ऑफ elements of this group element. Now we discuss atomic and physical properties of halogen. So atomic number: fluorine 9, chlorine 17, bromine 35, iodine 53 and astatine is 85. So when we move down the group from fluorine to iodine, its atomic mass increases. So its electronic configuration ns2np5, that is a general configuration of this group, ns2np5. So due to when we move from fluorine to iodine, the main shell increases, so quantum number increase, principal quantum number increase, so electronic configuration, the orbital also increases here, 2p5, 3p5, 4p5, 5p5 and 6p5. These elements required only one electron to attain a nearest noble gas configuration. So next we discuss atomic and ionic radius, that is increases when we move down the group due to increase in size and increase in the principal quantum number because addition of electron in the new shell. Next, ionization enthalpy, that decreases down the group. Electron gain enthalpy, that is exceptionally low for fluorine as compared to chlorine because due to small size of fluorine as compared to chlorine and more interelectronic repulsion. Electron activity also high of these group element, but it decreases down the group, and enthalpy of hydration also decreases down the group. So these all properties we discuss one by one. Let us start the trends of some atomic and physical and chemical properties of this group. Electronic configuration: all these elements have 7 electron in their outermost shell and general configuration is NS2NP5, which is a 1 electron short to attain a noble gas configuration. Next point is atomic and ionic radius. The halogen has smallest atomic radii in their respective period due to maximum effective nuclear charge, because we already know that atomic and ionic radii or atomic and ionic atomic size decreases along the period, because due to the addition of electron in the same shell with increase in nuclear charge. So that's why halogens have, every halogen present in their respective period have smallest size as compared to other period element due to maximum effective nuclear charge and at the last of the period. Next one, the atomic radius of chlorine, like other element, second period is extremely small, but atomic and ionic radii increase from fluorine to iodine due to increase in quantum shell or addition of electron in a new shell. Clear? Next we discuss ionization enthalpy. They have little tendency to lose electron, thus they have very high ionization enthalpy because it required only one electron to attain a noble gas configuration, so it have very less tendency to lose electron. So due to they have very high ionization enthalpy. Due to increase in atomic size, ionization enthalpy decreases down the group because increase in size and the distance of the electron from the outermost shell increases, and less energy required to remove the outermost electron from the shell of an atom. Next, electron gain enthalpy. Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in their corresponding period because these elements required only one electron less than stable noble gas configuration. That's why they required only one electron to attain a noble gas configuration. Though electron gain enthalpy of elements of group becomes less negative down the group, but there is exception. The negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. It is due to small size of fluorine atom, because in case of fluorine there are two shells, K and L, but in case of chlorine there are three shells, K, L and M. So it means there is a strong inter-electronic repulsion for incoming electron in case of fluorine due to small size, क्योंकि 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो पहले ही साडे को L शैल दे विच पए ने ते 8th इलेक्ट्रॉन आ रहा है, सो इट मीनस स्मॉल साइज होने करके साडे को जिहड़ी इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन है दैट फील मोर इंटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन. सो स्मॉल 2p ऑर्बिटल है, बट इन केस ऑफ क्लोरीन इट हैज़ अ बिगर साइज देन fluorine atom because 3p orbital or M shell, so it means that there is a less inter-electron repulsion present in chlorine. That's why fluorine have less negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. Otherwise the trend of electron gain enthalpy, chlorine is maximum as compared to fluorine, then bromine, then iodine due to increase in size. Next, electronegativity. They have very high electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases down the group, and fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Next question, halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in their respective period of the periodic table. Why? Halogens have small size in their respective periods and therefore high effective nuclear charge, and they have easily gain electron and attain a noble gas configuration. Next we discuss physical property. So halogen display a smooth variation in their physical property because fluorine and chlorine are exist in a gaseous state, and bromine is a non-metal which is liquid, and iodine is a solid and luster in nature. ये shine कर दिए साडे को non-metal है. So these all elements exist in a diatomic form like F2, Cl2, Br2 as well as I2. So they all exist in a diatomic form. Next we discuss melting and boiling point. Their melting point and boiling point are steadily increased with increase in atomic number. With increase in atomic number, why the melting and boiling point increase moved when we move from down the group? Because there will be a weak van der Waals forces, and it increases with increase in size when halogen size from fluorine to iodine increases. Clear? So next, all halogens are colored in nature. Why they are colored in nature? Why halogens are colored in nature? This is due to absorption of radiation in visible region, which result in the excitation of outer electron to a higher energy level. So ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ quanta of radiation ਇਹ absorb ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ particular ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ electron ਹੈ lower energy orbital to हायर एनर्जी ऑर्बिटल जाता जिहदे करके साडे को लाइट अमिट करता वा। सो बाय अब्जॉर्बिंग अ डिफरेंट क्वांटा ऑफ रेडिएशन दे डिस्प्ले डिफरेंट कलर्स। और यू ऑल्सो कैन राइट ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दैट्स वाई दे आर colored in nature. And fluorine has yellow in color, chlorine is greenish yellow gas, bromine is a reddish brown liquid, and iodine is a violet color. So bromine ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ reddish brown ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ vapors ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ। So fluorine and chlorine react with water, and bromine and iodine only springly soluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, hydrocarbons to give a colored solution. And all these elements present in this group are non-metal in nature. And last element is radioactive in nature. So one curious anomaly we notice from table 7.8, this one 7.8 is the smaller enthalpy of dissociation. It is only 158.8 kilojoule per mole. Otherwise ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਕੀ एलिमेंट ने like chlorine and bromine ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ को high bond dissociation enthalpy है. So why? So fluorine as compared to chlorine, whereas XX bond dissociation enthalpy from chlorine and onward show expected. ट्रेंड है सब तो ज़्यादा क्लोरीन दी है, उस तो बाद घट ब्रोमाइन, नैक्सट साढ़े को फ्लोरीन, उस तो बाद साढ़े को जाके आयोडीन आती है. सो वट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाई और लार्ज इंटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पल्शन and among the lone pairs in fluorine molecules. That's why due to small size, it means they have maximum repulsion between fluorine atom. Due to high interelectronic repulsion and small size, that's why the bond present between fluorine atom easily break down. That's why its bond dissociation enthalpy only 158 kilojoule per mole. Clear? So these are the physical properties of group 17 elements. Next we discuss chemical properties, oxidation state. So chemical properties, so fluorine show all halogen except -1 oxidation state because they required only one electron to attain a noble gas configuration. However, chlorine and bromine, iodine except +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state because so due to presence of even number of odd number of electron, that's why they show odd number of oxidation state. Why they show variable oxidation state in case of positive oxidation state? Because other than fluorine, because fluorine is the most electronegative element, that's why it show only -1, not +1, +2, +3, +5 or +7 oxidation state. Due to presence of one इलैक्ट्रॉन ये साढ़े को पिया वा ये करके +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जब -1 शो कर दे. दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्स टू d ऑर्बिटल, दैट्स वाई दे हैव 3 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट, दैट्स वाई +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. व्हेन दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्साइड फ्रॉम p orbital to d orbital, that's why it show +5. if s orbital also oxide from to d orbital, that's why they show +7 oxidation state. So the higher oxidation state of chlorine and bromine and iodine are realized mainly when the halogens are in the combination with small and highly electronegative element fluorine and oxygen, because all these halogens show higher oxidation state with fluorine as well as oxygen elements. That's why these elements are called interhalogen elements, because when they react with fluorine, otherwise when oxygen it's oxide and oxo acid. The oxidation state +4 and +6 occur in the oxide and oxo acids of chlorine and bromine. Clear? So the fluorine atom has no d orbital in its valence shell, that's why it cannot extend its octet. So being most electronegative element show only -1 oxidation state. So all the halogens are highly reactive. They react with metals and non-metals to form a halide. The reactivity of halogen decreases down the group. Sab to bad fluorine, the next chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. So the ready acceptance of electron is the reason for strong oxidizing in nature of halogen. So fluorine is the strongest oxidizing halogen and it oxidizes other halides in solution in even solid phase. So in general a halogen oxidize halide ions of higher atomic number. So fluorine ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ halides ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ oxidize ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, ਆਪ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, reduce ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. So gases ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ convert ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. So decreasing oxidizing ability of halogen in aqueous solution down the group. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਦੀ ਬੌਂਡ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਥੈਲਪੀ ਵੀ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਗੇਨ ਐਂਥੈਲਪੀ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਦੀ ਉਹ chlorine ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ। That's why they act as a strong oxidizing agent in nature. So it is evident from their standard electrode potential which are dependent on the parameters indicated below. So first ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਾਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਐਟਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। dissociation energy, enthalpy of dissociation that changes into one atom. Next it required electron gain enthalpy, that is also energy, that is negative. And last one, that halide gaseous state into aqueous state. So the relative oxidizing power of halogen can be further be illustrated by the reaction with water. So fluorine oxidize water to oxygen, whereas chlorine and bromine react with water form to hydrohalic acid. So fluorine ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ bond dissociation enthalpy ਉਹ ਵੀ chlorine ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ, electron gain enthalpy ਉਹ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ chlorine ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ, but it has a high hydration enthalpy. When we add these three enthalpies, that value is higher in case of fluorine as compared to chlorine. So that's why fluorine act as a strong oxidizing agent than other acid. Other reason दूसरे पास ये है, when fluoride ion react with water it oxidize water to oxygen, but other halogens like chloride, bromide or iodide, they have no tendency to oxidize water to change into oxygen. So that's why they are formed hydrohalic or hypohalous acid. So the reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous, so that's why I negative can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium. Just reverse of the reaction. So ये reversible reaction होगी, जबकि जब ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਜਦਕਿ ਰਿਵਰਸੀਬਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੀਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਐਨੀ ਡਾਊਟ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਆਕਸੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਟੇਟ, ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਕਾਲ ਮੀ ਔਰ ਥਰੂ ਮੈਸੇਜ, ਯੂ ਕਲੈਰੀਫਾਈ ਯੂਰ ਡਾਊਟ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।